Attorney Jonathan Elson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
then you need Nelson.
Kevin Dent appeared in court today for his sentencing after taking a guilty plea back in April of this year. Dent is one of the 3 people involved in Roy Jaggers' murder. Back in August of 2021, Kevin Dent, Heather Pate, and Brad Main were arrested for kidnapping Jaggers, torturing him for several hours with many instruments, such as a blowtorch, axe, knives, and a baton, then forcing him to strip naked and walk off a cliff at Cathedral Canyon just south of Pahrump, when ultimately one of the defendants, Brad Main, who is said to be the one who fired the 12-gauge shotgun at least 2 times, killing Jaggers on the way off the cliff. Heather Pate said in the past that the reason for killing Jaggers was because of an alleged molestation, which last year the district attorney's office confirmed that these allegations are false after conducting an investigation. In Dent's sentencing today, Judge Wonker talked about how he is facing charges of kidnapping and 2 counts of open murder. During the sentencing today, Roy Jaggers' family spoke.
He was my best friend, my caregiver, the love of my life. And when he wanted to leave her house, you prevented him from walking out that door. And you tortured him for hours. You had multiple times, multiple chances to pull over and just let him go. You guys went in with the intent of just killing my son.
Did you enjoy seeing my brother's head bashed in and bleeding while you just kept going? When you kidnapped Roy, bringing him to Pate's car, did he beg to be let go? Did he say he's had enough? Or do you not know because you were too busy enjoying everything you were doing and everything the thought of what you were going to do to him in Pahrump?
As soon as you hit Roy and kept hitting Roy and he's not fighting back. This is a black belt in Kung Fu. He's not fighting back. Did you feel big? Big man beating the guy, quote unquote, until you beat him until he said what you wanted to hear? And then you bring in a 3- and 4-year-old and beat them right in front of them?
The Honorable Judge Wonker spoke to Dent before sentencing him to life in prison with the possibility of parole in 10 years.
And I have 2 choices. 10 to 25 years, parole eligibility beginning when a minimum of 10 years has been served, or life with the possibility of parole, with parole eligibility beginning when a minimum of 10 years has been served. And I want to make something very clear to you, that parole eligibility does not equate to parole. And I guarantee you, having sat here and watched the family show up every single day of this trial, and have seen and heard from them today, that every parole hearing they will be there. And so this is what the court's going to do. In accordance with the law, I'm going to assess a $25 administrative assessment fee, $150 DNA analysis fee, $3 DNA administrative assessment. It is the order in the judgment of the court that Kevin Dent is sentenced to life in the Nevada Department of Corrections with the possibility of parole, with parole eligibility beginning when a minimum of 10 years have been served.